Donald Trump is still begging Judge Aileen Cannon to let him take classified documents that are evidence against him in the upcoming criminal trial. He wants to be able to take them home. He wants to be able to take them out on the road with him. Let me take the videotapes. Let me take the evidence. Let me take the testimony. Let me just take it all with me back home. Or, out on the road, because as you know, Judge Cannon, I am a very busy presidential candidate, and I do not have time to continuously visit the safe facility that, of course, is where I have to view the evidence. So for those curious about this new filing from Donald Trump and his legal team, let me explain in case you are not aware of what's happening. As it stands right now, there is the order in place. But Judge Cannon's trying to reach a compromise, of course, because she wants Trump to be accommodated. But the order right now is that Donald Trump can only view evidence in a secure facility. He cannot take it with him. He cannot make copies of any of it. He cannot write stuff down and take that with him. And he can only view the documents at this facility under direct supervision. Because they don't want him going out there intimidating witnesses. They don't want him sharing it. A lot of it is still classified information. So it has to be done in this one area. And in Trump's new filing, he says, listen, I'm a presidential candidate. I'm traveling the country. I'm doing all kinds of things. I can't be expected to fly back here every time I need to go look at a new piece of evidence. So, Judge, you need to let me just take it with me. What's the harm, right? You can trust me with some classified documents that I already stole from the White House once, but I'm totally not going to do that again. Maybe. Here's the issue. You have your own plane, dude. You have your own plane. You're a self-described billionaire, so you can afford the gas for the plane. We have seen you do events in multiple states in a single day. So don't try to come to Judge Cannon and be like, Judge, I just can't fly around all the time going to look at my documents. Yeah, you can. You literally can. You are one of the few people in the country who actually has the ability to do that because you don't technically have a job. You're unemployed, but I guess by definition you're unemployed. You're damn sure not working on your actual Trump organization. So, You do have time. You have the money. You have the plane. You have the ability. You have the physical capacity to do it. So why should Judge Cannon allow you to take this crap with her or with you? And here's the best part about it, too. If Judge Cannon does somehow come up with some idiotic ruling that says, okay, Trump can take it home with him, you know what's going to happen. Jack Smith is going to appeal that ruling. It's going to go to the appellate district court system. And they're immediately going to smack down Judge Cannon's orders, as they have repeatedly done already in the past. So Judge Cannon knows that she is already on this very, very thin tightrope. And if she goes too far one way, falls off over on Trump's side, Jack Smith's going to be there to pick her back up with the appellate courts and say, oh, no. You're not going to do that. We're not going to have this happen. You're not going to try to skew things any more into Trump's favor than you already have. Which I've explained, of course, at length. But this is going to be a big test. It's not going to be the definitive thing with Judge Cannon. But if she grants Trump's motion and says, yeah, take it all with you, I don't care. It's going to be appealed. It's going to be overturned. And then there's going to be a hell of a lot more pressure to find a different judge to oversee the case. So not only is Trump's motion going to fail, but depending on how Cannon rules, it could give just enough fodder to get her removed from the case. So, bad move by Trump, and it could come with some pretty severe consequences for him. Hey everyone, this is Aspen. And did you know that for the low cost of $0 per day, you can subscribe to the Fair and Balanced YouTube channel? We also encourage you to like, comment, and share, but again, click that subscribe button and help Aspen not be so grumpy.